दोनों ट्विन टावर धराशायी और इस धूल का गुबार आप देखिए 100-150 मीटर ऊपर और
आस-पास के टावर खड़े हैं, वैसे ही खड़े हैं। जो ढके हुए टावर हैं, आस-पास के टावर
Ladies and gentlemen, the tower of deceit, the tower of corruption has finally been brought down. It's now been turned into dust. The 32 and the 29th floor Twin Tower has finally been brought down. The biggest message to all those corrupt officials, to those corrupt builders, no longer will India tolerate this. Today, what you're witnessing is corruption has come down. It is a meltdown of clearly those people who thought that they could have taken every Indian for a ride. And this perhaps is the biggest lesson, as we saw in just about 9 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this tower of deceit, this tower of corruption has now been brought down. There are a lot of people who are cheering right now, and rightfully so. Why not? How long would have India taken this? How long would have India allowed this to happen?